Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shnong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Nginwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
O James P.K. Sangma ubalong Menteri Jong ke Sorkar Jilla ubapait ya ketenat Forest and Environment ula Jingmut ya ke Dorbar Shnong Mawlyndep. Bala don kam ban Thaw no daga Joint Forest Management Committee hapo ka jingkmi jong ka Dorbar Shnong da ka bapen kamti ki pait ba bakin long ki nong sharai ya ki law Shnong harengkat bat ka jingi trailang bat ka Sorkar. Kani ka jing Jingmut jong uniu menteri kalong hadin ba uniu menteri ka Sorkar Jilla uli ya kendo ya ki nong ilam Shnong badru ya ki nong kit kam jong ki khat pratli ki Shnong jong ka thain Mawlyndep ban pensedang yi kirukom trai kampat ba ki bayadai bat ki jingkela jong ka mai mariang da ka ba persyang ban wanra yi ki lat jing eda ban pendon kam de ki bot jing start ki reu hendai bat ka jing trai lang jong ki hagabayadai bat ka Meghalaya's rooftop solar scheme u James Sangma ulapan ka jing trai lang ne ki rangba Shnong ban jet yi ki Shnong ki bala ban bo yi ki solar panels na ka benta ban penmi yi ka boarding ka bane bat ka batat dor bat ka jo ka por uli tho ba an sakentu ya ka tanat sam boarding bakan pentrai kamno ya ka scheme PM Kisan Urja Suraksha Evam Uthan Mahabhiyan ne ka kusum nang baki nongrep kindu bla ban yo jing penmi pisa da ka bade ya ka boarding ka batam sha ka company sam boarding ka jilla ling baki solar projects jonki.
Is there a way that as a government you're thinking when we encourage people to plant trees, farmers to plant trees, is there any incentive that they get for planting, say, a tree?
So there are many schemes that we are giving for afforestation that is in collaboration with community. For that, it is not just for digging the pits, because as you rightly saying, not just for that one process, but also for 4 or 5 years, 3 or 4 years, that money is given so that you take care of all your plantations. So that is there. But these are
as an individual or as a group, sir? You have to do it as a self-help group or an individual?
No, it's not. As far as my knowledge goes, individuals we don't have as of now. It's like for example, community. Yeah, so we do it with the community. So that is given to the community so that you plant trees and you get that money to take care of it for the next 3 years also. But this is again region specific. So some of this, like MEPRF, is only for coal mining affected areas. So it is only in these areas where there is rampant coal mining. Campa we can do in many areas. There is no restriction on things. So we can always work out some scheme whereby we can partner with communities here also.
Oh, lovely.
Nagaliang jong iga Shnong mo kurblang. Dingidon ban bangidon ngijing snguyan ya gajing Jingmut na iministar jong i ba sa pangkata ka tungding ka forest mo ang ba tungding nomor ba nagaliang ka Dorbar Shnong si YouTube ba ngidon gajing persyang ha ka ba nginom sya iki no kino ban thang klaw nginom sya iki no kino ba kin syo do nomor ba kadai ka spa maryang jongi tang ba habangi persyang ya kata hanrei kajing telot jengi kum kipat ba nong Shnong pat kawan ngi persyang bungin nempen ngat ya gading ro hanrei kajing bumla ngi kawan nomor bakadon kam ya kabam kedi haka do jengi kata gadai nagaliang jongi kum kinong Shnong jong ka mau kurblang ngi ai bet karai Dorbar banginem sya yano ban syo do da pi syo do ngin pan syo aja hau put usam jong Shnong mau kurblang kalau kita balada pi tang klauru ngin pan sipo aja hanrei tang bah gajing plot ngimla ban trai kata nrei ngesngeu tenat ba sneu ba kedon kita ke skim nagaliang ka forest department ba ban sumari kiding ban ai kata gajing kersian law nagaliang jingi kum Shnong ilang balak kloy ada paskar ke kersian lam yengi ngiru ngin kersian lam nam ta ka meriang ke spa ke balang yengi te namar bangidon ka jakar nriu akar ha ngantat nriu akar hana ka jaka jong ka Shnong jongi ka bangi snaru ya ka school to ban pen internet ya ka ngidon kam hay kini kiding nang bakan wanra ya ka jingkot jingkhia ya ki khon kikti hapok ka Shnong jongi.
I'm trying my best, to make sure that MSCL becomes a better organization, but it's very difficult, you know. So for too long, you know, things have been going on this way. Now I'm trying to change. So hopefully we will change. Huh? Number 2 is that I will be making all BPL connections free. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have not declared it yet, but very soon I'll be declaring that all BPL connections will be free. So and all consumers who are below 200 units, you know, we will make them all free. Thirdly, you know, problem like this, we know that, you know, this will always happen if there is a meter reader. The meter reader will go to the house and he will see the meter. He will take note of the meter, the reading of the thing, and then take it back, prepare bill, serve you bill. So it's a very long process. And sometimes meter readers, they are sometimes not all, but they're lazy. So they don't go to a house also. So they will just sit in some place and say, his bill, let us say he's consumed 500 units this month. So he'll just make a rough bill. And then the bill is also not given to you in time. So then, you know, it becomes very difficult because you can pay your bill for 1 month, 2 months. But then when that becomes 5 months, 6 months, then it's big, a burden on everybody because, the bill becomes very big. So for that, we wanted to bring in smart meters. So a lot of people don't know about smart meters, what they are. No? So smart meter is a smart meter, which is also prepaid. So like you have mobile phone in which you have prepaid. So like that, electricity also, we are going to start this prepaid system for consumers.
So therefore, sir, we humbly request your immediate intervention to kindly initiate the aforesaid matter with the government of Meghalaya on behalf of Krum Dingyay Shnong Association, Jingmut District. So, thank you. Thanks, Sundan. Batlang tu kat. Yeah.